Hey guys, good morning. This is Joey at Truck Market. I've got a 2018 Kenworth T800 factory built glider kit Daycab, built with a Reman 12.7 Detroit, 13 speed, 597 total on the miles, wet kit. I've gotten it hot this morning. I'm going to do a full walk around, show you oil pressure, blow by, frame rails, everything that you want to see as if you're standing here. Let's get started. Built by D&D originally. Three-man engine. Nothing pouring down, but it is wet in that front corner, which is pretty typical of a Detroit. Blow by is excellent, especially for this miles. It's really good. Excellent rubber. It's got a blockable fifth wheel, all aluminum wheels. Frame rails are clean. Got good brakes. Only body damage or anything cosmetically. Need to get a step for that side, and that's about it. Wet kit tower. Operating temp. Good low side oil pressure, smooth through the RPMs. Guys, I appreciate you watching. If you got questions on this one or anything else, feel free to give me a call, 901-896-4526. You can also email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.